It's Carly, and in this video I'm going to be doing an extreme closet clean out. So without further ado, let's get into this video. As someone who is 4'11 and done growing, I have had some of the same clothes since elementary school and middle school. Now being 4'11 is both a blessing and a curse. The good thing about it is that I have never had to worry about outgrowing my clothes. The bad thing is that my clothes tend to pile up and I don't get rid of them simply because I can still fit into them. So today I am super excited to get rid of my old clothes and make room for new ones. Also, I'm aware that my closet door is broken. Let's just say my closet literally exploded. Okay, so this is my closet. It's not the most organized thing in the world. I try to have things in color order or just, my jackets, my dresses, things like that. But I really need to clean this out. In this closet, I just have my sweatshirts and my dresses, my coats, things like that. And then in my drawers and my dressers, I have everything else. So let's start going through and seeing what I need to keep and what I need to donate. This jacket has a hole in it, and I also have a bunch of black and gray fleece, so I think I'm gonna make room for some different stuff in there. Although this is kind of a cute dress, it is a little babyish and I just really can't see myself wearing it again. Oh my gosh. This is an Easter dress I wore and it looks like it's for a 3-year-old. Like, I am never gonna wear this ever again. So finally from my closet, I'm just gonna ditch these shoes. These were Converse. They weren't plain white, they were like blue spotted, and I actually designed them myself. I painted them and dyed the laces, but I used acrylic paint and it's not really good to paint shoes, and I've never worn them, so I'm just gonna toss them because I really cannot see myself ever wearing these. So that is all for my closet. Now we're gonna move on to my dressers. Okay, so now I'm at this dresser. You can see my little fish, miso, swimming around in there, but this is my dresser. I have a lot of winter clothing and pants in here, and I don't even know if you can see, but like, they don't even close all the way because I just shove things in there, and I'm really bad about folding my clothing inside of my drawers because I just tend to like dig through it to try to find outfits. And I'm just gonna empty some of this out because I really don't need everything in here. I really haven't had this for that long, but I just feel like it's really middle school vibes and I really wouldn't wear it. I've had it for so long and I just haven't really worn it anyway, so she's out. This is something I've had since middle school. It's a little champion crew neck and I absolutely love it with oversized jeans. It's so cute, so I'm definitely keeping this. So on my bottom drawer, I have 2 pairs of jeans and they still have the tags on them, but I just never got the chance to return them, but they are too big for me and I think it's too late to like go to the store and return them, so I'm probably going to sell them for the same price I got them. Okay, so over in this dresser, I have a bunch of clothes and it's really hard to even open some of these drawers because it is so full of clothes. This shirt looks like it's for a granny, and there's like a built-in bra in this shirt, and the bra in it is too small for me, so I'm just gonna toss her. I haven't really had this Champion shirt for that long, but the color is just so weird, and I feel like it makes me look a little washed out, and it just doesn't really go with anything, and I've had it for a couple years now. Okay, so this is all of the stuff I'm getting rid of. It is absolutely so much stuff I'm getting rid of, but I'm super happy because I'm gonna totally have so much more room, and it's gonna be so much easier to find clothes. All of the clothes I'm getting rid of, I am giving to my mom, and she's gonna sell on her Mercari or her Facebook Marketplace. I do like to scroll on Depop sometimes, but I really just don't have the time to sell stuff and put stuff up there, so I am not going to be selling any of my things on Depop, but I will be giving them to my mom, and she's going to sell them or get rid of them or give them to family members. Y'all, once again, this is so crazy. I have so many hangers now. I can put new stuff in my closet. Don't want me just snacking all of these clothes. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. New content will certainly be coming soon. All of my social medias are linked in the description below, so check them out. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!